Hello, my name is Alex Brock. I'm here to talk about my book on diversity. The book that I picked is We Are a Rainbow by Nancy Maria Grande Tabor. Honestly, I picked this book out at a garage sale earlier this year because of I just had I figured I'd be talking about diversity, and just the title alone caught my eye. So We Are a Rainbow. Um, so obviously this is about diversity, but after reading the book, it's it's a good book about a little girl coming to America from Mexico and adapting how she was to how we are here in America, and how at first it was rough, but then by the end it's okay to accept everybody. And for elementary, I think this is a great book because it discusses a lot, or doesn't discuss, but it hits on ideas of different words in different cultures, or different traditions in different cultures, that we have the same thing, but they might do it a little bit differently. So, as I read this, we'll get into that, and I'll point those parts out. But a lesson that to me comes to mind, because I said they focus on how Spanish pronunciation of certain words and the way English pronounce it. Sun is what comes to my head. So sol for Spanish and sun for English speaking people. And I would do a project to where maybe we could have to not just limit it to one language, but have like students in class. Like I'm a very German family. Like my my mother and father's side are both very German. So as a kid, I was interested in the German language. So maybe I could, research a phrase that, like, thank you or hello in English, and do that in German, and then I could make a picture, showing that. So that's kind of my activity. I think that'd be a good way to bring in multicultural themes into the classroom, is just maybe pick out a phrase, or maybe every week we pick a phrase out, and you pick a foreign language that you would like to find out what or how they would say that compared to how we say that here in English. So that's just kind of a lesson I have. So here I'll read We Are a Rainbow by Nancy Maria Grande Tabor. We are moving to a new country. New places, new faces. So many new and different things. Where I come from, there is a rabbit in the moon. Here is a moon, or here, there is a man on the moon. So again, like I said, in Mexico, they see that there's a rabbit in the moon, and in America, we always say that there's a man in the moon. So there's a theme. There, the ocean is nice and warm. Here, the ocean is nice and cool. There, the leaves of the palm trees swayed next to my pink adobe house. Here, the oak branches wave next to my blue wooden house. There, we give handshakes, hugs, and kisses to everyone. Here, handshakes are for new people, and hugs and kisses are for very special ones. There, I would eat tortillas for breakfast. Here, people have them for dinner. To you, I may seem different, but to me, you seem different too. I try hard to understand what you say. You try to understand me too. So here they have Feliz cumpleaños and happy birthday. So two common phrases, the way that they say in Spanish, the way we say it here in English. And then sonríe and smile. So again, that's kind of something I'd like to do for an activity. When we do not understand each other, we feel bad. We fight. We hurt. We cry. We separate. We stop trying to find a way to be together. Apart, alone. Please stop and think. Are we as different as we think? I say soul, you say sun. But no matter how we say it, it is the same one. We all like to run and play. We all like to dance and sing. We really are so much the same. And it is much more fun to be together, to share, to care, to smile, and to laugh. Our tears and our smiles are like the rain and the sun. They help our friendship to grow. And friendships are like rainbows. They shine for everyone.